Want to build something useful in just 5 minutes with Python? In this video, you'll learn how to create your own QR code generator. Fast, simple, and practical. Install qrcode. This installs both the QR generation tool and image support. This script prompts the user for input, generates a QR code, saves it, and even displays or downloads it automatically in Google Colab. If you're using Google Colab, it gets even better. The image will be displayed directly below the cell, and you'll be prompted to download it too, all automatically. You can also customize your QR code's appearance. For example, change the color by modifying this line, or use dynamic file names to avoid overwriting previous files. And there you have it, a fully functional QR code generator in Python in just a few minutes. This works perfectly on your computer and in the cloud. Thanks for watching. See you in the next build.